To begin, open your browser and type Wubuntu and hit enter. At this stage, you will see wubuntu.org. You want to click on that result.org, and here you want to click on download. We'll be redirected to another page, and hopefully it's coming shortly. Here, at this stage, you will need to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, we have the 64-bit CPU, 3 GB RAM, so this is the hardware requirement, and it works in legacy or EFI support, guest to virtual machine also. So click on download Wubuntu, accept, and wait. Normally the download will start shortly after the countdown is set to 0. At this stage, as you can see, the download has initiated, and the operation may take between 2 to 7 minutes based on how fast is your internet, and the download should be completed. So once the download is completed, you should see the folder or the file like this, and it's ready to be used.